Hello, everyone. Thanks for this opportunity for me to be here to introduce our company, Sonic Medical Incorporation. Our company is an ultrasound company, and we want to automate ultrasound imaging, so more people can use ultrasound.
Sonic 这个公司呢，有一个 vision， 那就是我们希望把整个超声，一般医疗超声的成像这个步骤呢，整个自动化掉。那么因为医疗超声它的操作非常复杂，那么就需要非常专业的医生，经过非常专业的培训来做这种操作。但是呢，超声呢现在呢逐渐的进入了除了一般的影像以外的很多其他的领域，那么像手术室了、一般的医生的诊室了、麻醉科了这些地方呢没有专业培训的医生，那么对他们来说操作这个超声仪器就很复杂。
We have a better system working progress, so it will eliminate 75% of the regular controls, make it much easier to acquire a diagnostic image in difficult patient, which accounts for 1/4 of total patients, and simplifies the workflow and reduce up to 30% scan time per patient in average.
我们2010年开始做这个产品，我们现在有大概2个专利，就是可以把这个整个的所有的操作呢，完全省略掉，完全自动化掉。那么你医生只要拿到探头放到病人身上，那么系统本身呢就可以自动根据病人的身体特征呢进行自动调节，那么给出你在这个病人身上最好的图像。医生呢就可以完全专注在这个病人的病理上面。
The most difficult thing is to get somebody to change the way they're doing business now, since this can't be integrated into the older systems that exist, the hardware that exists, which is a good barrier for entry for the guys who have it now. You must give them a new piece of hardware, correct?
Yeah, we have to have our own hardware because it is specially designed for this purpose.
Right, so how will you overcome that barrier to change?
Well, nowadays people are buying ultrasound systems every year. It's a $6 billion market.
So how frequently do they replace those ultrasound systems?
Typically, in 5-7 years, they replace their systems.
虽然我们这个东西是比较专业的一个产品，它本身呢也有很强的 barrier， 就是因为有很多 regulation， 所以一般的投资人都不太感兴趣，因为它是一个传统的一个产业。但是传统产业里面的一个新兴的划时代的一个技术。那么这样的东西呢，一般人认为应该是大公司来做的，但是实际上大公司不会做，因为现在超声系统太复杂，对大公司来说要做这样的东西呢，要整个重新设计一个架构，那么太过分了，他们不会做这种事情。我以前在大公司，我在西门子和记忆以前专门做高端超声的，后来因为他们不做这样的事情，我才出来自己做这个事情。对，其实有艰难呢，我们也觉得很快乐。
看了那么多互联网科技创业项目，接下来这个贴近服务生活的创业团队，在比赛中似乎更能引起观众的共鸣。
How do you feel now? Competition is about to start.
We feel very confident. Awesome. Yeah, awesome. We have a great pitch. After the pitch, more people are going to flock to us.
Definitely, yeah.
Hi everyone. My name is Dan Lee. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Guided Fitness. Our goal is to become the Uber for fitness. And this was me about 3 years ago. I was physically in bad shape. I worked with my trainer for 2 years. Last year, I did 3 half marathons and 2 triathlons. Overall, my fitness level increased tremendously, and I'm a much happier and more confident person. So I decided to quit my job at Amazon and launch Guided Fitness. And my partner is my trainer, Nick Tyree. Our goal is to bring a personal trainer to everyone.
How many customers do you have currently?
We have about 150 customers who signed up to our site.
And what are you doing to market to them to increase the customer base?
We are working with the partnerships. So, for example, we have just created partnerships with Overlake Hospital and the Evergreen Hospital, and we're talking to their diabetes centers and trying to work with the diabetes patients.
Lifetime value of a customer, do you have an estimate?
The industry average lifetime for personal training is about 6 months. So, based on our values, however, because we know the reason why people quit in 6 months has a lot to do with the price. So, Guided Fitness solves this problem by taking the large profit that gyms makes and split it between the client and trainer. By doing that, we are able to significantly lower the cost of personal training. Since we've launched in April, our average cost for a personal training session is only about $35 an hour. And at the same time, we've managed to pay the trainers more.
简单明了，贴近生活 ，Guided Fitness 的创始人表现十分出色。但接下来，运用高科技感应可穿戴运动设备的 Zenbody 没能很好地应对评委们对其产品功能局限性的质疑。电子游戏公司 Eighth Shore 派出了全场唯一一名女将代表，可惜由于紧张，现场发挥不佳，遗憾离场。最后登场的是一位海归创业参赛者。
我是陈亮，我的公司叫做南京鹏云网络科技有限公司。
已经定居西雅图、组建了家庭的陈亮，2年前离开妻子儿女，回到国内，创建了自己的公司。
为什么会选择去一个陌生的又那么遥远的地方南京去创业？
实际上是当时他们的这个招商局的人找到我了，在西雅图。然后呢，他说我们有这个program， 他说你要不要去试一下？录取完以后呢，南京那边给了我们一些钱，所以呢，就去了。对，就这样。
你觉得有什么特别难忘的吗？
有很多，有高兴的，也有很痛苦的。
最痛苦的
实际上是跟我西雅图的这个家庭的分离，老婆孩子都在这边。
陈亮一直在说他一直想做这件事，所以我觉得我还蛮支持他的，因为毕竟人一辈子如果有这么一个梦想，你不就应该去做吗？是不是？老公加油！
It's my pleasure to be here today. I'm going to talk about 3 things. What we do or what products we are developing, and how big the market of our product is. We actually are developing cloud storage software that for enterprise in China. So our business model is B2B, and our enterprise customer can use our software to install their own data center to build their private cloud easily and quickly, so that they can exclusively access their data, which is very important for them in China.
How's your product better than HDFS?
I would say much better. Our software can scale up to millions of servers. Although we can't prove it, we don't have any centralized node. We use pure P2P solution to do that.
国内做云存储的这个厂家，说实话，除了华为以外，其他的这个基本上，没有太多的技术含量。我觉得就是我所掌握的技术和我自己的能力，可以把这个云计算这部分的这个技术能够提高得很高，包括这个其他大公司的这个产品。对，我觉得
都有竞争力。
我觉得应该是有一定竞争力的。
Right now, this year the market is $12 billion, and it grows at least 12% year by year.
What is the barrier to entry for someone else doing what you're doing in China?
We can analyze this problem from 2 aspects. First is it is very hard for products in US get into the China market, because right now they don't want the US product get into the China.
Competition comes from China.
They don't have very good technology. So, like I said, they built their product based on the open source project, and which had a design issue.
You've got this huge market, maybe the biggest in the world, and what you're saying is that the outside competitors are having a tough time getting in, and you're the first one locally to do it?
I'm not the first one to do it, but I might be the one that has the best technology to do it in China.
This is Grace Young from the Boeing company. My favorite personal trainer. And if they have proven can make a very small fit, I think it will be widely accepted.
Answer the questions which investors want to know. Problems, solutions, team, market size.
I'm curious to see if the drone section holds up. If it does, I think that's really powerful.
Yeah, I think it's a great event. The quality of the team, the quality of the staff company is really good.
Can I ask, are you going to invest in it?
Definitely interested in a couple of them.
I'm going to announce the third place. Hongyun Network.
现在得了奖，心情怎么样？
还挺激动的。主要还是语言的这个问题上，用中文说，我觉得我能说得更好。
Let's announce the second place. I'm Sonic.
恭喜啊！这次一下拿到了第2名，你现在心情怎么样？跟我们分享一下。
应该拿第1名嘛。不知道会不会对这个找投资有帮助，希望是这样。
Next, I'm going to announce the first place. The winner is Kit.ai.
很碰巧啊，我这个选的第1位呢就是 Kit.ai 啊，刚好也是今天的 winner 是第1名啊，很年轻、很能干、很 smart 的一个 team。
我们在做的东西是一个正确的方向，我们自己从来没有怀疑过，但这个东西又得到了投资者的认可，对，所以这是一个很好的开端。
只要 execution 做得好的话 ，potentially 他们可以是一个billion-dollar company。